big work with the fire in the top class family. Look on this and a cupboard I go install, you know. You can go in there, man. Should be in the top party first. Yeah. Hold on, man. Yes, but bro. The work, come on, work. I go on with some business. Hey.
Top Class Bros channel, yeah. Welcome to the channel, Top Class Bros. You was Top Class Bros teaching you them to uplift themselves. Me I tell you live a better life. Welcome to the channel. Always like, comment, subscribe. You was don't forget Top Class Bros. Subscribe.
What's up, Top Class family? Today me I giving you a daily vlog. Yeah. Oh, a daily vlog. Today me I giving you a vlog. Yeah, because just a while ago, you know, Richie give me a call. I have a furniture for me deliver. Yeah, so I run go sort it out me and him. And me have a granduncle pass away, so today is a grave digging for him also, so you know me have to go in and put in my support same way. You understand? But as you know, for we do the vlog, you know we have to show everything what go on. Alright? Yeah man, so if you're new to the channel, please remember subscribe and stay tuned, alright? And you see in our life, see once you can give a help, give a help. You understand? Because look at right now where me feature Richie on the channel, and you know, once Richie build a furniture and it can hold inside the car, believe me, and me I get the roast. You understand? You know, Top Class a real hustler, yeah man. So once in a year we talk about, say boy, we're up on the hustling. You know, at them way that we are talk about, like we move something from point A to point B. You understand? Yeah man. So from morning, boss call me out of my bed and say, boy, I have a piece of roast for you. You know, we have to take on the roast in a Top Class family, because you see them double door fridge there. I'm showing you inside quartz. One of them are there in the dream house. Yeah. And the stainless steel stove. You know, the cupboards have to build up, and yes, you know we have to work right around the clock. We have to do a whole heap of hustling. Yeah. And for all of those who purchased their ticket for the Ninja, I think Richie say he want to finish up the dresser and show you the look. Give you guys the reveal, so you know a whole heap more people are gonna have more confident, because the time is winding down. Remember the draw is May, the 28th of May, which on a Sunday, so you guys still have 1 month and some, I think, few weeks. Yeah, so remember to purchase your tickets. All right, $1,000 for the ticket for the Ninja dresser. I remember the person who purchased the most ticket have the chance to get a bed base, queen size bed base. You're going to win that. You understand? Once you purchase the most ticket, you're going to automatically win the queen size bed base, which is roughly around 45,000. Yeah, I remember the Ninja dresser run up to 150,000. So just $1,000, you can win that $150,000 dresser. Alright? So once me link him up same way, carry up on the journey, and I take a next look on the dresser, because from what you know, I'm busy I do some work and stuff while him there in the workshop. So basically more work must done on the dresser. You understand? So showing you what I go on, giving you a daily vlogs, alright? Yeah man, whole heap of love my people. You have to put out a whole heap of content this month also, because as you know, we need certain things for the dream house. You understand? So we have to put out the videos, we have to put out the hustling, we have to put out the hard work and the 9 to 5. Big up on yourself, stay tuned, alright? Big up. Yeah, my people, you know, as usual, for reaching, you have to bless up the general himself, you know? Yeah, and the man I never stop working. It's a boss! Go on, my father. Go on, my father. I never start working. How about that? Where are you now? Alright. Oh, and I see him on the best. Oh, 9 charges I have bill. I'll go and stand the boss. Yeah. Oh, the boss. What color that one are going on? Eh? Oh, what going boss? So you know the boss have bill at 9 charges. What color this are going on, my boy? Brown. I see a brown that one are going on, you know? Okay, just kick off, bro. First man saying no look like a camera thing. Oh, I went in this. Alright, me soon through up and show you how I go on for this, alright? So this just a year, remember, I'm just a telling about it. Yeah man. I just only time when the machine I get trouble, I cuss it, you know? Right now from audio, I set it up on the back wheel, I'm straight and everything alright. But now I cuss it again because I don't know, it make me eat the food, you know? Look there. A big work with the fire in the top class family. Look on this, and a cupboard I go install, you know. You can go in there, man. Should be in the top part first. Right. Hold on, I go on the other side. Yeah, put in heavy upside. What's up? Can't hold, man. What can man? Why? What to why? Bad boy, take your time. Hey. Why are you too wide? What to why? Can't go in there. Can't go over. Take that. Take your time. Alright, hold on. Here what you going to do? Should be in the head part there. It's good man, you can't go in. No, hold on, it too. Watch out now, listen now. You see this way there? And I chunk where nothing there. So you are going to be in that head piece there. That part there where all the side left out that part around from the back there. Yeah man. This is what I tell you, top class family. I saw Richard doing work, you know. Well neat and shine. So you see how the 9 jar dresser whenever it's spray up. Remember natural color same way, you know. Anytime you see it spray up and look like this. Well nice. Yeah man. Come here my boy. Oh that. Yeah, my people, so we're up on the location now, so you know, we are remove. Yeah, you know, we are remove the kitchen cupboards here. Yeah? Yeah, so at this point, everything that you see we are installing, yeah, we deliver everything today, so you know, we are remove all of the old kitchen cupboards to install the new ones that Richie make. Yeah, so stay tuned. Yeah, we never get to really video everything, but yeah, just see the fitting up and the finishing. Alright? Yeah, stay tuned, top class. Come on, boss. Yeah, man, well fresh in the place, you know.
Don't talk to me. Don't call my name. We're still in our here.
How long will it then?
God tell her.
Say that, man.
Yeah, my people. Oh, look here now. Yeah, man, boy, it's a big difference, you know, man. You know.
Top class, at first you come by a bit of women, no?
Yeah, me sure.
You see them at workshop, but top class never really come for
yes, you know,
installation.
To them there, because I know a big pretty piece and a good, yes, you know.
An institution. So I pretty basket in there.
Oh! Why natural color bad, you know, bro? Mad. Top class family. Oh, no, okay. Natural color, well up and runnings, man. Maybe a standoff look.
Standoff look.
Yeah, man. So, we're there. Yeah, man. You know, I'll show you the before and the after. Yeah. The before and the after. Because I don't see if I'm coming and show you what I go on. So. Stay tuned. I will just show them how that look. Backside.
Yes, sir.
Make
it 11 top class.
Yeah, everything, man.
Yeah, but that's not it. It's 11.
Alright,
Before? Yeah, man, you put us up.
No, carry on the lower.
Alright, carry on.
Right, I'm finding the box match.
Yeah.
Put the level in there, Mr. Sam. Put the level inside.
Hold on.
You'll be around that.
Yeah, we're only going to
That's
no.
I'm telling you, I'm hiding.
And that,
Remember.
No,
Remote? Hey.
yes, bad bro. They work, I come out work, I go out with some people.
Hey.
Yeah, man.
Richard, come up here. I'm sure it's on.
Say believe, no, man.
Believe, man. You see my father?
Dream, man.
Yeah,
Believe
man.
that I dream as a young youth, man. I know I stay.
Some people. Yeah, man, some people want to see what I go on. So, Richard, you know. What is it? Yeah, man, up and running, you know. Showing you the before and after.
True.
And there's the L-shape one. You don't scream up there, my boy.
True. We like this. Yeah, true.
Man.
Yeah, it camera.
Everything finished up, you know.
Is it break?
Nice picture done by Richie, you know.
By Richie.
Man himself.
You know, man, I take cargo cartel you know.
Yeah, man, cartel, I don't know, I apprentice. Big top man graduate from apprentice, you know, to the dentist. Come here, cartel, come pick up yourself right there, sir.
You know what I mean? You got the whole top class one. Go there, sir. Big up.
Yeah, man. That cartel,
yeah, man, it's there. I said, big up to the like top class family. Without the top class, you couldn't do it in your zip. You have to big one straight. Rich man, big up yourself. You know you're a general, you're a bossing like thing. You know it's there.
yeah, man. I like where you're going with, man. Richie boss. Everything up.
Yeah, big up all top class family said, you know, raffle just happened by raffle just
Is it?
no, I finished up with this and I'm going to see what I'm going to have a bed bottom said we're going to start out. Queen size.
Yeah.
One of them things they will process out and hopefully think them can get to start. Set up really easy.
Is it?
Yeah, no, we just put up a kitchen cover and a greatness, you know, as usual. You know, drop a guard and eat and eat every time we do it, you know.
So.
As you can see, I first top class.
The for an installation.
Real company installation also. You can see the thing live and see the show.
Alright. Come here, mechanics move now.
Move here.
Yeah?
Awesome.
general level, you know. Danny, big up yourself. Benna, one of the boss, you know, man. Yeah. So, don't you know, so I come out grave digging, you know. She boss there, you know, Fargo boss. Long time they don't see her, you know, man.
Jaja.
Alright.
Top class, whole family.
Alright.
Righteousness, all through there. Blessings.
Blessings. Yeah, man, super Richard. Big Nal. Just shut your mouth at you, man. You know, sorry, never walk me away. Gatlin.
Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, man, let's see what I want to be a thing. Yes. Underneath the salt out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, tonight. Situation.
Yeah. They were
Broad works, you know. Top class, uncle, what is just righteousness. Jaja works, Zion Gate, forever.
Sure. Yeah, man. Then I play Top Class family, you know. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, you know, Sheriff.
Bless no man.
Yeah. Bunga.
Man, give me a $5, bro. Give me a 50-100 for your bag of coke. Give me 800 and take a bag of coke.
Pure family. Pure family, they bought, you know, Top Class. Yeah, man, as I say, me there, run come on the grave digging, come. I mean, put in some work and give me support, see me, because I don't know. Grand uncle make a pass, but. So I got Top Class family, I just, you know.
Me never ever see nobody so that I go to make about it everywhere you loving me, man. Find out where them man happy to make them watch your body so make them like them man.
Clippings.
I did think this, you know.
Yeah, man.
I just did have a showdown. The one time, the right time come. I just see the real thing of the Top Class operation govern.
Alright.
Blessing.
See the Top Class family, I close out, you know.
But I don't know, say Gatlin is a nice one, please, you know. We can't deal with the sun, the rice and peas. We don't want a glass mic.
Yeah.
I mean, I want nothing when one and teeth drop out to another, so well, they give me one with sauce or gum then.
One within teeth last, oh God.
Yeah.
That's me know, say me comfortable.
Alright.
Oh God, give me one within teeth last.
Yeah. Yeah, but I close out now because as you don't know, we run go do some work with Richie and we see, you know, kind of late. But big up on yourself. Yeah, man, we just hard about and put in some work and finish up things. Alright? Enough love. Big up on yourself. I'm out.